In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new record directly from a HubSpot playbook. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will make it easy. Start by heading to the HubSpot homepage and clicking the Login button at the top right. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, click on Library. This is where all your playbooks, templates, and files are stored. Inside the library, select Playbooks to see your existing playbooks. To create a new record, click Add Title to start a new entry and give it a meaningful name. Then click Insert to add content, templates, or standardized text. Next, navigate to Actions in the menu. Here, you'll see the option Create a Record. Click it, fill in the necessary details like record type and related data points, and make sure everything is accurate. Finally, save your work. And that's it. You've successfully created a new record from within a HubSpot playbook, making your workflows more efficient and your data easier to manage. Thanks for watching.